Hi there, welcome back to the Quadology channel. This is just a 60-second follow-up on the hydrodipping video I did. Somebody asked me how well laminate would stick to hydrodip, so I thought I'd give it a go and demonstrate. So this was a test piece from an old broken S800 that I dipped to test. So this has been coated in 3M90 spray, adhesive spray before it was dipped, and then hydrodipped, and then I've just laminated it, so we'll see how hard it is to pull off. So if I'm holding it here, you can see, I mean, it sticks. I'm actually breaking the wing because it's a previously bust wing. So, yeah, you've got to really pull that. It does stick. It does pull a bit of the dip off with it. You do manage to rip it off. I thought, see if what would happen if we tried to laminate it back down. So, let's just. So it seems to have stuck. Well, isn't that cool? Break the wing. So it has. You can re-laminate it back down, and it sticks pretty well. Second time round still. So it's like third time round. Should let this cool so it sets. But yeah, I mean, I'm having to put some force into that to pull it off. So I think it's fair to say laminate sticks pretty well to hydrodip.